The time right now, it is 4:12 on this Thursday morning. We're so happy that you're starting off your day with us today.
Yeah, another day where it's chilly. We're watching a system to our east. You know, this whole week we've been worried about how often that thing might come back at us. And it's staying on Skywatch Live at downtown Syracuse. Do we have that? I'm not sure we do. I know it was broken yesterday.
Oh, okay.
I guess we don't have it. So anyway, coming out here to the weather deck, things are pretty quiet, Lisa. We've got some clouds overhead. Not snowing yet. I don't think we're going to get that much snow, to be quite honest.
Okay.
Now, yesterday I'd mentioned the number. I remember, I didn't really want to say something at 2 to 5. I think certain areas will get 2 to 5. I'm thinking Syracuse might not even get 2, to be quite honest. We're probably going to have a little bit lower than that. Let's get to the details, Lisa. We've got a great weekend coming up, so I'm excited about that. Here's a look at the weather computer right now, showing you live triple Doppler radar. You can see there's a little bit of light snow on the left side of your screen. Over central New York, there's not much. We're kind of in a lull between systems here. A couple of light snow showers, flurries, and some sprinkles there by Buffalo and Niagara Falls, just to kind of pull back so you can see both situations here. There's the Michigan system, and there's the system on the coast. Snow, rain, etc., and a lot of wind. Nantucket Island had over 60-mile-per-hour winds, which is right over in there. Anyway, you can maybe even just look, if you look at this just really carefully, some of the snow is starting to track west, but it's pretty far away. And latest indications are that the best chance of our snow now probably waits till tonight. So overhead now, and I looked at the satellite picture, it's pretty cloudy almost everywhere in the Northeast. Now, once in a while, I've noticed there's some holes in the clouds. So I really wouldn't be surprised if we get a couple of peaks of sun today, as we'll have a northeast, northerly, and then eventually a north by northwesterly wind. Again, we're watching the east. And I think any snow that starts to try to back into our area probably waits till tonight, with the best chance of accumulating snow around the midnight hour and during the pre-dawn hours. By this time tomorrow, maybe a smidge of snow is left over before it drops to the south and falls apart. We'll just have some leftover flurries and sprinkles for the rest of the day for Friday, although we will have a lot of lingering cloud cover. Today's temperatures, well, since we're already in the mid-30s, we might be able to squeeze out 40 if we get enough peaks of sun. Tomorrow's temperatures should be in the mid-30s. All right, here's my forecast with regards to new snowfall. This includes everything that happens tonight through tomorrow morning. I think the majority of central New York, away from hilltops, will probably get anywhere from a trace coating to maybe an inch, inch and a half. That would include Syracuse. That includes Auburn, Oswego, Watertown, Ithaca, Rome. You get into the hill towns, because of a northerly wind, you usually scrape out a little more snow here in the hills, like Tully and Casanova in the hill towns there, Georgetown, Norwich, an inch and a half to 3 inches in the darker blue. If you go into the white, which is not really in our viewing area anymore, east of Cooperstown and east of Oneonta, 3 to 6 inches. And then if you get down here in the Catskills, 6 to 12 inches of snow. That's what I'm expecting. Of course, there's a lot of variation even within central and eastern New York. We'll keep you posted if it does change further. We've made a small change to the weekend weather, and I think it's a change that when we head back inside to Lisa, she's going to have a big, bright smile. Why? Well, clouds giving way to sunshine Saturday, which is now unchanged, and we still have the sunshine Sunday. I've actually increased temperatures 3 degrees on both accounts. I've got 43 and 53. How does that sound, Lisa?